we've discovered that the sign industry has kind of two extremes. One is too much truck, and the other is not enough truck. So the too much truck is when you see, a $250,000 two-man bucket with a crane putting up a paper pattern on the wall, and right, and maybe some 5-pound dimensional letters. Not enough truck is when you have an old telephone truck that's got a hole cut in the bottom with your boot sticking out to hold the sign. And we wanted to develop a truck that was just the right truck for signs that weigh less than 200 pounds. So we've developed a number of accessories that basically the accessories do what the second person would be doing in a two-man bucket. Recently, we created a new accessory called the jib.
The jib holds up all the weight. You can balance the panel as simple as I've ever done it. Yeah, this is quite something. So thank you. Easy.
I think the unique thing about the van ladder is the box that we use that's way different than most bucket trucks. I look at my van ladder, the box of my van ladder, as an installation center that happens to have an aerial lift on the top of it. Every year we look at the cost of our parts. We take all of the van ladders that are out on the road from 1 year to 20 years old. When we take our total cost of part sales divided by our number of lifts, and it has been for the last 5 years under $300 a lift. So I think there's no other bucket truck that has the cost of ownership that we do.